Okay, so let's start with the calculation of average atomic mass, which is an important topic of grade 9th. So here what we are going to learn, we are going to learn that how we can calculate the average atomic mass of a particular element if the percentage abundance of its isotope is given to us. Okay, so these type of questions are important from grade 9 point of view. So this is, you can see, as I have written, the topic is calculation of average atomic mass of isotopes. By using the isotopes, we are going to calculate the average atomic mass of the respective elements. So there are certain there is a term which you need to keep in mind, that is relative abundance. Now relative abundance means that the amount or the percentage of isotope which is present in the question or present in your surroundings, we can say. So that is what is relative abundance. Now there is a particular formula which is used to calculate the average atomic mass. How we can calculate it? Average atomic mass is equal to mass of isotope, that is whatever mass will be given to you for the isotope, multiplied by the relative abundance. Now for example, I have taken one question over here. You can go through the question. Question is, calculate the average atomic mass of chlorine if 75% of 35Cl17. I hope you people know that the isotopes are the one in which atomic number is same. So I have written 35Cl17 and 24.23% of 37Cl17 is present. Secondly, you are also provided with second information, that is molecular mass of chlorine is given as 34.96 and 34.965. These are the two molecular masses which are given for the respective isotopes. Okay, so first of all, I will write in order to solve the question, I'll write the formula used. Formula used says that average atomic mass is equal to, as we have already read, mass of the particular isotope into percentage of relative abundance, which we have already learned there, that mass of the isotope into relative abundance. Now see, relative abundance can be in any form. It can be in percentage form, it cannot be in percentage form. Both the forms can exist. Okay, so now since over here percentage is used, so percentage of abundance kitna hai? That means the amount of the two isotopes. What are the different amounts? One is 75%, I can see from the question, and the other one is 24.23%. Two isotopes are there, so two relative abundance. If there are three isotopes, so there will be three relative abundance will be given to you. Okay, molecular mass, that is molar mass, is given to us for the first isotope. It is given to us as 24.23. Sorry, molecular mass for the first isotope is given to as 34.96, and for the second isotope it is given as 36.965. You can see, sorry for this, molecular mass for the first isotope is given as 34.96 and the second isotope is given as 36.965. So you can see, as we start with the numerical, we write formula used, we write percentage abundance, we write molar mass. As you people do in mathematics, we write all the given statements and then we try to solve. Now what I have done, I have kept the average atomic mass of chlorine to be X. Simply I'll use the formula, and then formula says percentage abundance into molar mass. So how many isotopes are there? 2. So the same particular process I will repeat for 2 times. Average, I hope you people know, we will add the two things. The two things will add, which will give us the average of the atomic mass. So I have written X is equal to 75 by 100. Why 75 by 100? Because it is 75%. So I've written 75 by 100 into 34.23. Okay, and plus this is second is 24.23% है. So I've written 24.23 by 100 into 36.96. Okay. So next 75 by 100 can be written as 0.75. All of you know that. Now this is actually this is given in the question as 34.96. So by mistake I have written 34.23. I'll just cut it and write 34.96. Over here also I'll write 96. So this is 0.75 into 34.96 plus 0.2423 into 36.96. So ultimately when we will solve it, we will get 26.50 plus 8.95, which is equivalent to 35.45 U. So this is the answer for the respective question. I hope the question is clear to you and the solution is also clear to you. Simply you need to calculate average atomic mass by using the formula molar mass, whatever mass is given for the isotope, that mass into relative abundance. Relative abundance can be in percentage form, it cannot be in percentage form. So both the forms can exist.